Hello everybody, in this video we'll be covering part 1 of your admin settings in your pipeline manager. So first you're going to make sure that you're logged in as an admin, which I'm already logged in as. I'm then going to go to pipeline manager. I'll go to the settings button and then click settings. In this video we're going to cover selecting the default pipeline for web forms. We're going to talk about notification settings and lost deal reasons. So first is select default pipeline in Sage. So when you have a web form on your website or maybe your social media, when somebody fills out that form, it's going to create a deal card. This lets you determine where you want that deal card to go. So this will be sales and then lead in. But of course you can always change it if you wish. I did discuss goal settings for pipeline and for activity in another video. So if you would like to learn more about that, you can always visit that video. Notification settings here. So this we really recommend turning on. So this was where every time somebody wins a deal, everybody on the team gets an email to celebrate their win. You can decide how often you want to get recap notifications and per agent. So if some agents want more notifications or some want less, you can determine that here. Deal board events. So you can also do this per event or by event per agent. Subscribe notifications per pipeline. So this comes to play, let's say you have your commercial producers and then your personal line producers. Maybe your commercial producers don't need notifications for something like the sales appeal board. Next is going to be retention pipeline. So there's a lot more settings that we're going to get into in the next video, but we do have one here just about notifying the agent. Public intake settings, so just a notification for anytime there's a lead that comes through by the public intake form. Text notifications, so right now you can get an email for a text. Of course you can turn that on or turn that off if you would like. When a task is due and then when a card is due. So each card has a due date that you set for yourself. When it comes to that date, you can then get a notification for that. So next we're going to talk about lost deal reasons. Here you can add the different reasons. So we can just put testing 1, we'll click save. We'll click save there. And then of course you can always come in and you can edit your reasons. You can delete the reasons if you want to do that. Anything you'd like to do. And where these reasons are going to be found are when you're in your pipeline manager and you're in a deal card. If you mark the card as lost, there's going to be a drop down menu here, and this is where you'll select it from.